What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we're going to be doing pretty much a what is going to happen, what are these things going to look like. So we got word that the Air Jordan 1 UNCs will be dropping in the reimagined format like we see on the Chicago ones. Now, with that being said, what will these things look like? How much aging will they do? So this is all gonna be all speculation, so I hope you guys can mess with this video. But before we get up into this content, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for your boy. We are on our race to 10K. Share the videos, comment down below, do all those great things. I would greatly appreciate it. Now I'm gonna roll this intro and we gonna get off into this video. Let's do it.
It's the means that they fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology.
All right, so first let me start off by saying this. If they were gonna do any Jordan 1 outside of the shattered backboards, I feel like this is the perfect shoe to remaster or reimagine or whatever. So I just hope they do it right. But I know when these things drop right here, these cause problems, and a lot of people just wanted to get them because we haven't seen the Chicago ones in so long and the price point was so high for resale for those. But for these, I know Jordan 1s are pretty much dead. I think if they do these right, these might revive the game. You feel what I'm saying? So let's kind of take a look at what they did exactly on the Chicagos when they reimagine those and what they potentially can do with these. So as you see on the screen, this is the picture that dropped online that they were gonna look like. But again, I just want to show you guys from the actual sneaker what we can kind of expect. So as we go closer to the sneaker, as you guys can see right here on the top of the sneaker, you see the age outsole right here on the wings. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna get that white age, kind of like tan age crackled leather looking on these. In the wings logo, as you can see right here, is D-Boss, and then it's embossed right here. So I think they're gonna swap that up and do the same thing. The leather on them are not bad, but it's that age crackle. So you can expect that age crackle instead of this smooth leather that's on this one to happen as well. Going on down the toe box, as you guys can see right here, on the Reimagine, we have the crackle look. On these, we do not. So that will be that crackle look. And I think it's going to be more of an age look, like a yellowish tint to it. You know what I'm saying? Going up the shoe is probably going to be the same thing. But as you can see, this vintage look, that cream off-white looking colorway, will probably be the same thing on this as well. That cream off-white looking colorway, just to kind of give it that age look. I'm pretty sure they're going to keep the sock liner the same, where it's going to be that UNC. But also going along the outsole, as you guys can see right here, as I turn them on the outsole, you can see, well, let's do it like this. All right, so as you can see on the outsole, it has those aged yellow looks. You know, a lot of people call it pea stains, and sometimes Nike goes overboard with that. Pretty sure we're gonna get the same pea stains on this one as well. So you're gonna get that age look on the outsole. Now going across the bottom, look at the bottom on the Reimagined Jordan 1s, the Chicagos. You see that is not because I wore them. That age look, that white stuff, is the way that they want it to look. They want the shoe to look worn. So that's going to be pretty much the same thing that they're going to hit us on the bottom here. They're going to keep the UNC colorway, but it will have that ashy hue to it on that bottom. So on the inner side of the shoe, like I said, as you guys can see, you got the crackled leather on the top of there, that aged look, and then the leather in here is crackled as well. They're gonna do the exact same thing on this one. Now you can't really see it on the camera, but it is a little bit of dark spots on the Chicago red, just to kind of make it look like it's a little bit worn and vintage. They'll probably do the same thing, so we'll probably have a little darker hues on the UNC colorway as well when it comes to that. So that is pretty much it that I think they're gonna do to him, man. The box, I'm pretty sure the boxes are gonna probably look like this. So this is the OG box, this is the Reimagined box. So I'm pretty sure they're gonna probably do this, where they're gonna put the tags and stuff on it, probably give it a little theme, because we like themes and stuff like that. But instead of Nike in that red, the Chicago red, they probably gonna put that Nike in that blue. Or something like that, or maybe the Nike on the box, top of the box in that blue, but they will give us that vintage looking box. We will not see this box, I'm pretty sure, when it comes to that sneaker. Now, as far as paper and stuff goes on the inside of them, I don't know the theme and stuff they're gonna go with. Nike decides that, so we'll see what happens. But y'all let me know down in the comment section, what do you guys think? Are y'all glad that they're giving us the UNCs as the next Reimagined Jordans, or would y'all like to see, what Jordan would you guys like to see, the Jordan 1? With the shadow backboards been the one, or maybe like the shadows, Or what do y'all think? But I do think this is a good one because they didn't do the Royals right. If they would have did the Royal colorway when they reimagined that one the right way, I think that would have been a hit also. But giving us the UNCs after what is it, 10 years? I think that'd be dope because I think these dropped in 2015. But y'all let me know down in the comment section. What are y'all thoughts and opinions? Are y'all gonna rock with these? Are these a must cop? And can these revive the Jordan 1 downfall? Appreciate you guys tapping in as always. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock with you like that was hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these shoes right here, just bait. Wait for me to share my fate. Catch y'all next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the route for OGs and the U. You can kick it with us too. Technology.